Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, your online brother Jaspas Deck, and welcome back to the School of Cardistry. It's official guys, we're finally in the year 2020. Yes! Yes! And the new deck order has some really exciting new plans for the year. Some of you guys may have seen on our Instagram that we have an assortment of new projects that we're working on, one for every month in 2020. As of now, the first 3 months of content has been announced, and if you haven't seen it already, head over to our Instagram. Our patrons can also head over to patreon.com to check out the full year's worth of events. But not listed in that schedule is our brand new project, the New Deck Orders Bounty. What is it, I hear you ask? The New Deck Orders Bounty is a new project that we are embarking on, in which you get paid for doing cardistry. At the beginning of every month, we will announce what the topic of that month is. You have basically 3 weeks to go ahead and figure out the sickest, most powerful, most awesome, most creative variation that you can think of. Film yourself doing that move and tag us on the video and use our hashtag. Videos will be judged based on a certain level of creativity and or video work. To even the playing field and allow as many people to join this project as possible, the bounties will be placed on very simple, easy to do moves that are easy to create variations of. Every month, we'll take the top few entries and our favorite entries and place it into the next month's bounty video. So even if you don't win the top prize of $50 store credit, you still have a chance to be featured on our channel. On our channel of 123,000 subscribers. I am very excited for this project because I feel like there's not enough small competitions for new beginners or even the intermediate cardists to flex what skills they have and to show off what they can do to an audience. Alright, so are you ready for this? This month's theme for the New Deck Orders Bounty is That's right, we're starting from the granddaddy of all cardistry moves, the Charlier cut. And I don't want to just see you do two-handed Charliers or Charlier triangle. I want you to flex your creativity and show me something sick. If you need some inspiration on what weird creative things you can do with the Charlier cut, you can check out Raihan's Square, which is available up here. Here are some final rules as to how to win the New Deck Orders Bounty. Alright guys, so what are you waiting for? Go figure out how to express yourself and create some fantastic moves using the Charlier cut. I'll see you guys in February's episode of the New Deck Orders Bounty.